store. Very close here in Manila, Ayala, Manila Bay.
Yeah. I'm nervous, right? Help! This is Sir JC.
Wala.
Ba't may ganyan t-shirt ko na? Yun yun. May ganyan t-shirt.
Hi ka nga!
Kinakabahan ako.
Hi!
Aray mo. If I will play or not, then I will not.
Do you have ano? Elephant?
I think I have the elephant. If I play, I might. Again for coming. Thank you for spending your Sunday with us here in Muntinlupa Beyblade Cartel, powered by BGM. Thank you for being with us. So, before we start our end match tournament, short meeting lang naman. So, this tournament will consist of 5 rounds with. Kasi, thank you, di ko expect na sobrang dami player. I expected 12 to 1 round. Pero ayos yun namin ulit. So, 5 rounds with. Block deck tayo, 5 heroes, only 1 SC written out. And then, our format would be snake ban. So, you roll for your advantage. Whoever wins the dice roll will choose either first ban or first position. Ayun, wala namang contest dun. Okay lang, okay? Tapos, another would be, merong special rule or special bounty on my head. If you defeat me in game with a 0 HP, pag natalo nyo ako, you will get a free Dr. Jekyll and Hyde na seal deck. So, para for fun lang naman. So, kung matalo nyo ako, may free kayo ng Dr. Jekyll and Hyde.
George, tara na! Round pa lang agad oh!
Okay, and then before you get your participation prize, everybody will get a foil pack. So, as per the stipulation, thank you, BGM.
Thank you!
Tapos, yung prize structure natin, the champion would get this one. A sealed copy of the
Go!
first runner-up and the second runner-up would get acrylic packs.
Let's go!
This one and this one. Ayusin ko na lang sa table later. So, acrylic
volume 1.
volume 1 and tapos, so meron pa tayo everyone. And then, as a thank you rin for allowing us to you guys to spend your time with us, magpapakain na ako ng dalawang prize mamaya. So, abangan nyo in between rounds. Yung maps naman, after each round, magsiswitch siya para ano. Piliin ko yung anong position. Baling ako. Legend lang.
Do I want that Jekyll and Hyde?
Good luck, good luck. Ano, Jer?
Hindi kayo nagkatapat.
Meow, meow, meow. Expect na kayo, natalo na naman ako. Hindi talaga namimili ng kalaban si Josh. Natalo ako, guys. Wala akong Jekyll and Hyde. Yung Spanish latte na lang. Yes, some to oat po. Jerry. Tignan mo may ball doon.
Ha? Sir Jason.
Little na eh, no? Tama? Ito lang yung ano eh. Ako nagpot eh, kasalanan ko.
Ganda ng pagkapit.
Okay, react kayo ulit. Scripted! Before round 3 raffle tayo.
Sabi ni Josh, mag-udok may woo!
Do that in front of the camera.
So duck race tayo, 20 seconds.
1 minute para matagal, Mrs. Friends. Joke lang.
Hanggang 7 na yung mga guys.
Hinahaba tayo, wala. First race.
Okay na.
Okay, go! Okay na!
Normally.
Sino yan?
Uy! Joke!
Sanalo si
Si Jopay.
Wala na, namin yan nandito.
Oh! Okay na!
Hoy!
Ay!
Wins! Uy,
Ay
Jason!
na!
Ay, Cheruan!
Oh!
Wala, bigla may nag-tempo eh. Kanalo eh.
Pass lang.
Mas lang, di lang yan. Boy!
Char.
Hey, just seen her pictures. I said, "Oh, jump scare."
Hi, Sir Jason. Good luck everyone! Magpaparaffle ako ulit!
Ilan yan?
Lahat kayo nandito, raffle! Kung sino man nanalo, makakuha ng X-Men book. Oy! Oh! Hey!
Matchup na naman.
What?
Okay.
ikaw na judge. Ikaw judge. Dali na.
3, 2, 1, go. 5 minutes ready. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Nauna ka.
Thank you! Thank you!
Dapat ako sa shoot.
Ibaba mo pa. Yan. Yan.
3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yan, pwede na yun. Go, halo. Halo. Out of bounds. Saba. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Sorry, Sir JC. Sorry, Sir JC. Can you confirm that for one that challenge?
Hindi pa na-present.
Sino possible second, third? Sino? Hindi mo na. Hindi, happy na lang. Medusa lang. Oh, sige. Sa'yo na yung Medusa. Kala ko. Number 10, Sir Jason. Oy! EJ 11. Uy, may compress ko din. Number 12, Ivan.
Mamaya, huli ka na.
Pare-pare sa tayo gumastos. Hoy! Okay, safe.
Okay!
Okay, thank you ulit everybody sa successful tournament. Sana naubos mo sa nagulat ako kasi ang dami natin, so nakapag 5 rounds na ito. So, thank you rin, Sir JC.
Sana siya?
Thank you, BGM. Ang champion natin with an undefeated streak, Sweet Rats!
Ban ka na. Ban ka na, bot.
Grabe ka, boss.
Dati, vlog niya rin ito eh. Sarado, no? Masabi mo, wait lang pangalan.
May Pilipa. Top 2 kung ano yung gusto na dito sa acrylic pack. So, Daisy, Nancy, Ganos. Nandito ako. Nandito na agad.
Magkano?
Kuha pa siya ng foil pack? Ay, kuha. Mawawa din yung
Boss,
Wala pa pasta.
baka pwede paluwal niya. Sir Lance na lang.
Ay, premyo. Dami. Amot.
Kasi sa ano, naiiyak na sa tuwa.
Ay, boss Lance, mabigat ako lang.
Mabigat sa kamay yan, mabigat. Congrats, sir. Number 3, Sir Edgar.
Wow!
Libaw.
Number 4, Sir JC.
Pass down yan.
JC, tapos. Sabay-sabay. Thank you, BGM.
Thank you, BGM!
New store. Very close here in Manila, Ayala, Manila Bay, in Paranaque. So, I think Tuesday, Tuesday or Wednesday, I think is the opening. We'll post
Hi,
it
Rin.
on Facebook.
Hi rin kayo,
Hopefully,
sir.
you will, all of you will come. It will cause also tournament there in Paranaque. South community. Let's go!
Go, BGM!
Honor.
Honor!
Great thing, Sir JC. He gave us 2 collector pins. Let's go! That we will be raffling for everyone. Yay!
Pag si Josh nanalo.
Ganda na!
Wait, 1 minute naman para may ano, may 10.
20
20 seconds. 20. Dalawang roll yan o tatlo? Top cut pa, ano? Hoy! 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 Biglang huhuli. Okay, top 2.
Yay! Picture with Sir JC!
Hindi ko makakita ako. Doon ulit! No, party.
Oy!
Hoy! 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 Hoy, bakit may Josh doon?
Bayad din ang entrance.
Hoy! 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 Ay, wala! Luto! Luto! Siya lang yung masaya nung nanalo siya eh. Hoy!
Sino yan o?
Hoy! Hoy, para ba to? Rock!
Ay, gago, pass daw yan.
Nanalo!
Parang di ko nakikita.
Parang anak ng Diyos na isang ngayon.
JJ, manalo ka para pass down ulit. Hoy! 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 Purple duck.
Pass down!
Pass down daw sa
Ayaw nyo ba?
Wait lang, wait lang. Parang kontrabida yung kukuha niya. Okay lang.
Ano?
Gago, hindi pwede. Hoy! Hoy!
Ikaw. Hindi, 20 seconds lang eh.
Pass down! Pass down! Pass down!